In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Biotech News. If you follow along, you'll quickly learn how to surface timely biotech headlines using a simple, repeatable workflow. We're keeping this straightforward so you can move from a noisy fire hose of stories to a clean, focused view that spotlights the updates that matter to drug developers, clinical stage companies, and healthcare innovators. First, head to the Newsfeed. This is the live stream where stories, press releases, and market-moving updates appear in real time. Think of it as your command center. Once you're here, you'll see headlines roll in continuously, but right now it's broad and includes every sector. Our goal is to narrow this down so that healthcare and specifically biotech-related developments rise to the top. Next, click Scanner. The scanner opens your filtering toolkit. It's the fastest way to tell the newsfeed exactly what you want to see and what you'd rather leave out. When the scanner panel is open, you're in control of the feed instead of letting the entire market steer your attention. This step is essential because without it, you're scrolling through a lot of unrelated headlines. Now, in the scanner type sector, you'll see the sector filter appear. Under sector, click Healthcare. This is the key move. Biotech companies fall under the broader healthcare sector, so choosing healthcare is how you capture biotech news without missing context from adjacent areas like pharmaceuticals, medical devices, or life sciences tools that often intersect with biotech catalysts. The moment you apply this filter, your newsfeed will refresh and show only healthcare sector headlines. From here, scan the updated feed. You should notice headlines that frequently reference FDA decisions, trial readouts, drug approvals, and collaboration announcements, classic biotech drivers. Read the timestamps to gauge how fresh the news is, note the source for credibility, and pay attention to ticker symbols to quickly identify which companies are involved. If you're tracking a watch list, you'll often recognize the tickers immediately. If you don't see what you expect, double-check that the sector filter is active and set to healthcare. The feed should feel immediately more relevant, with fewer distractions from sectors like technology or energy. That's the entire workflow. Start at the newsfeed, click Scanner, type sector, and under sector, choose Healthcare. With this simple setup, you'll consistently surface biotech-focused headlines faster, stay on top of catalyst, and reduce noise so you can focus on what moves the space. Keep practicing this flow, and it will become second nature whenever you need biotech news on demand.